Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, you ever have one of those weird little things where you stumble across a Facebook group, you join, you have a whole bunch of fun? That's what I've done with this one. And this is what led me to discover this beard oil. Joe Miller, you legendary son bitch you, your oil's up on the channel next. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first time viewers and you long time guys who haven't done it yet, take a look down there. I believe it's going to be right down there. It's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, hit subscribe. You're going to feel so much better about yourself for the rest of the day when you do that, trust me. Alright guys, as you saw by that intro, it's a very long title, alright? I'm sorry. We're going to take a look at Miller's Original Beard Balm Company, the coffee, bourbon, and tobacco beard oil. Alright? Now, the first thing I noticed is that kind of looks like Joe's beard. Just saying. Looks pretty cool, Bo. I like the fact it came in like a blue glass bottle. And the fact that he has, you know, the eyedropper top. I love these. I really, truly do. I have so many problems, for some reason, getting a good amount out with those ones that have that little stopper top. It's just me. Alright? I discovered him in a Facebook group, and man, people were raving. And this is what killed me. It was in an everyday carry group that I joined, that people were raving about his beard balm and his beard oil. Now, I really don't use balm that much. For some reason, I don't like it. I don't know why, but, you know, it is what it is. Oh, and speaking of that, in case you're wondering, every single beard product we've ever reviewed is going to be in a little card up top. Alright? So if you want, go check that out. Then come on back here and finish watching this one. But everyone in that group was raving about his stuff. So I went, okay, hell with it. Drop the money, place an order. Haven't been disappointed. Alright, lately I've been getting into more coffee scents because they're really, really cool. As you've seen by some of those in that little card you just took a look at a moment ago. So, a little bit about his company. You can find them at millersoriginal.com, and I'm going to try to remember to leave that link down below in the description box. If I don't, guys, please remind me. That way I can edit it and get it back up there. Now, they are 100% made in the USA, and shockingly out of Ohio. So, them and Doc Spartan are like my two flat-out favorites that I've ever had out of Ohio. You don't expect much from Cleveland, Ohio. You know, you don't. No offense, Joe. As you saw by the label, they were established in 2014. Okay. And I think it's a really, really reasonable price. Now, normally I pay between 10 and 20 bucks for a 1 ounce, you know, thing of beard oil. That seems to be the going rate. 20 seems to be the highest. And I usually try to stay between 10 and 15. So this is going to run you 15 bucks. You know, not bad, right in the middle. And he's got a flat rate shipping of $6.80. So basically 22 bucks. No big deal. Now, I got to tell you honestly, the scent strength, it's got like a medium. It's not like a punch you in the face kind of thing, but you know it's there. And I got to tell you, man, it is long lasting. It really, truly is. I think I smelled it in my beard for like 6 to 7 hours, which is almost unusual for some of the things that I've been using, you know, and that just impressed me greatly because normally I'll apply in the morning, apply around lunchtime, you know, just to get that in there and keep that scent going, and then do my nighttime routine right after dinner. Now, the scent profile, they describe it as, and I'm sorry, just checking my notes down here, as a freshly ground cup of coffee, wood, amber moss, spices, with a hint of cherry and clove. Okay, now I'll get to the rest in a moment. According to his website, it's got jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, tea tree oil, orange oil, and peppermint oil in here. Alright, now this is what got me. See, right now I'm smelling nothing but the coffee. But man, when I first got it, because it's like January in the Pacific Northwest, it was frozen almost outside. So when I got it and took a sniff, it was like a big shot of bourbon right in your face. I gotta tell you this, and this is the weirdest thing that ever happened for me. This is the first beard oil I've ever had where I smelled different during, the day when I was wearing it. It was like when I put it on, okay, there's the coffee. Then a little bit later, I was like, okay, that's the bourbon. That's cool. It's not overpowering. And then a little bit later, I'm like, what the hell? I'm smelling tobacco. So it's the first thing. It seemed to change as the day went on. I've never had that happen before. Normally you'll get it with a couple different scent profiles, and you're like, okay, here's this one main scent it makes. I found multiples with it. Seriously, Joe, now I'm seeing why people are calling you a legendary bastard. I just, wow, man, brother. It's freaking awesome. Oh, on his website, he also has Balm's beard soap, and they call it wig wax. So I'm assuming for your mustache, no biggie. Now, when I reached out to him and said, hey, what can you tell me about the company? He gave me some of the basic stuff that I expected, when it was formed, where, how, the work that he's put into it. He put a lot of work into developing a great product. All right. Now, hopefully you can see that. It's got a bit of a gold tinge to it. Oops, sorry, you guys, sorry. A little bit of a gold tinge to it. No biggie. That's fine. The ones that I've seen with pumpkin seed oil in there are a little bit of a darker color. It's got a medium feel to it. It's not a heavy oil or really runny off your hands oil. It's like right in the beginning. But he's put a lot of work and a lot of effort into designing a really good product. And I gotta tell you, for finding it by mistake, by joining a Facebook group, I'm blown away by it. I also have to tell you, his customer service is unbelievable. Not just joking with him in that Facebook group. And this man does like leather work, and he does some incredible work on knife scales. All right. Some of your work is just wow. Which I know is a little bit out there for a beard oil review, but still. So, I gotta tell you guys, it's another one that I can say easily 5-star recommendation. You really want to buy it, you can really only find it on his, online store, which once again is millersoriginal.com. Now, with that being said, because I'm going to share it to I'm going to share this video in that Facebook group. Anybody who's used his stuff, man, leave comments down below. I want to know, your questions, your comments, love, hatred, all that like I usually do. Because I really, truly think he's got a product that should be getting more notoriety than what it is. It easily replaced a bunch of different oils as my favorite coffee scent. I mean, seriously, damn. Oh, it's just beyond awesome. Seriously, it really is. But, okay, with all that out the way, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to thank you so much for tuning in for this weird one for a beard oil. Like I said, I know it's got a long title, okay, but the oil, it's worth it. Seriously freaking worth it, okay? And, oh yeah, before I forget, sorry, bro. He did throw in a sticker in the order, which I think is kind of cool, because it's going to go on some stuff that I have. So, there's something that, from Ohio, that's now in my house permanently. Now, for you first-time viewers, like I said, I want to thank you so much for tuning into this video. It means the world to me that you chose this one, especially seeing how there's a lot of stuff out there, on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you long-time viewers and you first-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, I think it's going to be down there. I think it is. All right. It's going to be a bigger channel logo popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've hit subscribe, please go ahead and nail that bell icon that's right next to it. Why? That's a very good question. It's going to let you know every single time my channel uploads a brand new video. And especially you don't want to miss things like this. You really, truly don't. All right? Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up probably on that side of the screen. If I get it wrong, oh well, part of the fun, right? Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Guys, thank you so much for watching my little overlook on Miller's Original Beard Balm Company. Coffee, bourbon, tobacco, beard oil. Go check them out, guys. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.